What is up? What is up? What is up, y'all? I actually kind of want to see what does this look like if I turn this off. Actually, hold on, I'm in the wrong spot. Wrong spot. Let me go and do this. Oh, this kind of looks better. Does this look better, y'all? Or would y'all want to see something like this? Let me know. Let me know. I'm probably gonna keep it off like this. Let me know what y'all want. I feel like it gives that little bit of a late night feel. A late night feel. This is definitely goated. Definitely goated. Let me know exactly what do y'all want from this. What do y'all want from this? Does this lighting look better? And it's so crazy because just a couple of days ago, it actually ends up showing exactly on this thing who has been subscribing to me from like 7 days ago, but not absolutely everyone. But they do get a bunch of people that are definitely in there. Let me go get this on my phone so I can end up seeing chat. If chat is talking, if chat is reacting. Let me go and see. Okay, I got these looking good. So it's definitely looking pretty good. It's definitely looking pretty good. So that is great. I'm very excited. What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? What is up? What is up? Hey, damn, there's a hella people. There is hella people here. Let me go and read what's going on here. So you got, hi, what's up, y'all? What's up? Any tips for me to stay motivated to code? My only tip to stay motivated to code is honestly what I use, which is to document your journey. When you document your journey, it becomes very easy for you to end up learning how to code because you kind of have people you don't want to disappoint. And so you don't want to disappoint them. You want to keep going. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. But because you don't want to disappoint them, you kind of decide to, just keep it pushing, keep grinding. You want to have the next YouTube video pushed out. So I feel like documenting your journey is definitely the way to go. But guys, today, as y'all can end up seeing in the title, I'm back again, a late night stream. So I don't really expect too much people to be in here, too much people to come because this is very late at night. Probably gonna end up busting out an hour of code once again, just because I want to get this specific project that I'm working on and I want to get it done today. So let's go and watch this transition, y'all. Watch this transition. Tell me not that this is not the most goated transition. Isn't that dope as hell? Isn't that dope as hell? You got my Instagram at the bottom. You see my subscriber at the top. Isn't that cool? Yo, what's up, man? What's up? Late night stream tonight. We are still grinding to receive my certificate. I'm actually surprised that people were gonna end up joining this live. I did not I did not suspect it, so that's actually really funny. I was just gonna do this to just try and get it done, but I'm very happy that people are here. That is what's up. But let's jump right into this. If you are new here, I am here, as you can see at the top, it says main goal, receiving my certification. That is what we are doing. I'm trying to receive my certification in web design. And so far, we are pretty close. I'm gonna go and show y'all real quick. It says, damn, that was clean. That's what I'm saying, man. I'm gonna go and show y'all real quick how far I am. So we ended up coming down here. Boom. We are working on this cat painting. We're damn near almost done. We only got a couple left, and that's all I'm really going to stream for tonight, unless that happens very quickly, and then maybe I might do a little bit of a reaction, do something a little bit fun, maybe play a game. Who knows? We'll end up seeing. We're going to try and, well, not really play a game. Like, don't get your hopes up. I'm not going to be playing, like, some popular game or something, like, quite easy. But as you scroll down here, bam. We are this close to being able to receive our certification. We have about 3 more projects left, a bit of craziness in between, but we like that craziness. Let's jump right into step 68. She would say, do I have any other advice for me to learn JavaScript? I think the only thing I could say, because I'm actually myself struggling with JavaScript, is to just stay consistent, number one. As long as you are learning, whether you are literally walking forward, running forward, or crawling forward in the slowest position, does not matter as long as you are moving forward. So always try to learn something every single day, even if it's 1%, even if it's just something so tiny, try to learn it. Number 3, use anything to your advantage, whether that is Free Code Camp, the Odin Project, shoot ChatGPT, but not asking for the answer, but using it as a teacher and a mentor. I think could definitely be very helpful, but that is something that I'm currently struggling on. So I can only give those type of advices, but you can only take that with a grain of salt because I'm currently still learning JavaScript to this day. So, and also too, I've been learning how to code for about three months now. Once it hits 12 p.m., it will be exactly 3 months. So that's going to be amazing. But inside the cat whiskers right element, create 3 divs with the class top. Oh wait, we already did that. We already did that. On to the next one. On to the next one. Any progress is progress. Exactly. That's exactly how I feel about it. Even if it's a little bit of progress, you're doing big things. You're doing big things. So use a descendant selector to target the 3 div elements inside your cat whiskers. Now, I don't know what a descendant element is, but I'm assuming a descendant element. Oh, and I was going to say, y'all, I'm going to ask y'all real quick. Does it look better with no lighting on so you can see like my blue light in the background? Or does it look better when I turn this on? Does it look better when I turn this on? Because I know the lighting ends up getting bright, but I feel like this little, once I turn this off, it just gives such a beautiful, beautiful feel to it that I just like it. I like it, but let me know. I'll definitely change it. I think that's what they want me to do there. I'm not too positive. I believe they want me to target the div, but I could be absolutely wrong, and that is simply okay. So we're gonna end up doing 1px here, and then background. Oh, damn, can I do this properly? Color. And then we're going to go #000, close that out. Bammers. Okay, so we did that right. So currently right now we are trying to make some cat whiskers on the left. That's good. We're trying to make some cat whiskers on the left here. So for some reason it's generating up here though. Says I like only the blue on, it fits the vibe. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because you know I got this nice little like color scheme going on. Honestly though, should I switch the blue light? I feel like I can change the blue light to a color like this. Like, well, not like this, but you know what y'all see on my screen. Let me try it real quick. I kind of want to see. I'm not going to go too far, but we got this color. If my button can work. Give me 1 second. My button can work. Like that one. How does this one look? I feel like this one's kind of goated. I think this one's kind of goated. Let me see. All right, so we go on to the next one here, step 70. So we're about 13 steps away. That's pretty good. How does that one look? Oh, damn, that one actually matches, but I feel like it matches a little bit too much doing that color. Who knows? So as you did in the previous step, use a descendant selector to target the 3 div classes. So we're going .cat whiskers /right. And also let me know too if my audio is good, because last time my audio was trash. But I think we're good. I got the width 40px. Let's fix that. I'm gonna go height 1px, close that out. This is www. Yep, perfect. Hey, that's what's up. If y'all are new here, I'm trying to achieve my certification. The more steps that I solve, the closer I end up getting to my certification. So this is going to be amazing. Just taking y'all along this journey, which I'm so happy to be taking y'all along for. Make sure you end up leaving a like. It pushes out the stream to other people, and also share the stream to other people too. That would be amazing. Okay, real quick. Let's keep this pushing. On to the next one. Oh, become a supporter. I need to actually get my other phone. Let me see if my partner can bring that. Bring my other phone, please. Because I need that phone. Damn, I love the way my stream looks. Damn, that looks so beautiful. You have no idea, y'all, how hard it was to end up getting it to look like that, though. That was something else. That took a step. Okay, so we need to do .cat whisker. We're going to do left top. And then we're going to do position. I'm assuming absolute. Absolute here. Close that out. We're going top. We're going top of 120px. Close that out. And then we're going left here. We're going left 52px. And yes, we ended up going. That is 87%. Damn, I think I'm actually going to finish this faster than I thought I would have. So, what's up, Nimesh? What's up? If you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be going live every single day. This is my second time going live today, though, just because I want to get this cat complete. So, we're going to transform here. And I'm going to go rotate 10 degrees. Bam, we ended up getting that done. That is 88%. We still, okay, so we got a lot. So what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Is that the other whiskers? Because we got one, but I'm not gonna lie. Cats have 3. So what are we doing? We better be giving, wait, I mean, I said cats have 3, but I meant a cat drawing. Normally cat drawings, they be having 3. I don't know about real cats. I don't know about real cats, but that's like a cat's mustache, right? Their whiskers. Damn, there is the cat's mustache. So we're going cat, whisker, left, middle. On each side though, they be having 3 on each side. My bad. We're going to position, and then we're going absolute, and then we're going to go top. By the way, this cat's name is Gravy. We have named this cat in my earlier live today, so we associate this cat as Gravy. Now, if you are new here, making this cat is actually not irrelevant because this is a part of me getting my certification. The more steps that I end up solving, as you can see here, step 73, the more steps I solve, the closer I get to my certification. We are learning intermediate CSS by building a cat painting. So A. Okay, real quick, let's keep this pushing, keep this going. Are we ending up getting a comment? Right, yeah, each side is always 3, always 3 for some reason. No, yeah, that's what I mean. I didn't mean in real life. Want to track progress, fellow learner, you know? Oh yeah, exactly. That's the goal. The goal is to track my progress. But do I want to? I don't know if you're asking me to do something or if you're saying that's what we are doing. I'm not too sure. Transform. And then we're going to go rotate, close this out, and we got to go 3 degrees. So let's see how that looks. Okay, there's our third whisker. Here. Look, damn, doesn't it look so nice that this cat actually looks pretty damn cute. I'm not gonna get a cat. Gravy looks cute. This is the most adorablest thing I've ever seen. They might end up giving him 2. Oh, no. Okay, we are giving him 3. I was gonna say, because that's how it's supposed to be. So we're going whisker. If I could spell whisker. Left, bottom. So then we're gonna go same thing. It's literally the same exact thing, except for a different degree and probably a different top. That's so... I can't believe I'm solving this quicker than I thought. I honestly probably could have did this off camera, but it's okay because I feel like I truly do like to live stream, and I feel like it's a little bit of a different audience tonight. Normally I have the same people, and it seems like I know some of y'all, but I feel like y'all don't really come to the morning streams, or when you do, it's like quick. Let me see, going to the next one. Yes, sir. This is 91% complete. Our cat is looking beautiful. Transform. And then we're going to go rotate -3 degrees. And then we're going to close that out. Bammers 93. Ask for your GitHub if you have one. No, I don't have one, and I should make one, but I'm so slacking on it, bro. I am so slacking on it. It's unbelievable. It is unbelievable. But I definitely need to get into that 100%. Position is going to be the same exact thing. Absolute. Like always. And then we're going top. 120px. And then we're going left. 109px. Close that out. Perfection. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait, no, that needs to rotate. We're going to go -10 here. Transform. Yeah, this is going to be very simple towards the end. It just looks like we are really just attacking, his whiskers. We're really attacking his whiskers. There's a certain game I want to play, and I'm wondering if it's free. Because if it's free, I think I might just suffer on live, and I might just play it. You say, all right, cool. You say, I'm PST, so you go live at like 9 a.m. my time, and I'm asleep, lol. Oh, damn, that sucks. That sucks, man. Well, then I feel like you would always have to catch the lives at this time then, because I think I'm only going to be streaming lives at this time specifically. I want to say when I am, like when it's my day off is normally when I end up streaming around this time. But there is a possibility that I could stream after I get out of work. But to me, though, that would be like, what? I want to say maybe like 3-ish, 4-ish a.m. While to you, that would probably be like 10, 11 a.m. So that would be nice. But for me, and probably some other viewers, that would probably be difficult. But I do have a lot of viewers around the world, so I feel like maybe it will work for everybody. Honestly, but who knows? Just doing like 2 streams. No, but it's okay. It's okay, man. You can definitely catch the ones that I be doing at night randomly. Or you can catch the replays. I put a whole replay playlist from my lives. So if you catch the replays and you end up commenting in there, for one, that'll be a good push for that video. But 2, those community, man, and I'll definitely respond to your comments. I'll definitely respond to your comments. If you are new here, I'm solving these questions. Every step that I solve, I get closer to my certification. So make sure you end up leaving a like. Make sure you end up subscribing. Leaving a like pushes this video out, but subscribing allows you to join my journey. You want to know about my journey a little bit? I have been starting to learn how to code for about 3 months now. Literally one day, 12 p.m. for me at least, 12 p.m. for me will be one day. So in an hour, right? I will be 3 months in of learning how to code. So hey, subscribe. Join me on this journey, man. It has been a crazy one, but it's been a beautiful one at the same time. We're going -3 degrees. We're going to commit to that. 98%. Damn, we are running through these. What game were you trying to play? It's like this game where I seen it on YouTube, and it's like a trick shot game. So you just like start flicking like the ball until like you try to get it into a cup. It's supposed to be like a rage bait thing, so to like piss people off. But I think to an extent, it can be kind of funny because I definitely will get pissed, and I think that would be hilarious to end up streaming. But I don't know if it's free, man. And if it's not free, then I might have to just say F it and probably go on to the next lesson. In all honesty. We're gonna go position. Absolute. Let's go top here. 134px. And then we're going left. Hopefully I can find the game. I'm probably gonna have to look it up on like ChatGPT low-key because they be eating. ChatGPT be eating sometimes. 99% complete. I think we got like 2 more left. 99 is crazy. So we gotta rotate it to at least, oh, this is the last step, y'all. Are y'all ready? This is the last step. Look at my beautiful 3D cat. We have to say goodbye to Gravy, y'all. Everybody say goodbye to Gravy. We're done. We are done. Goodbye to Gravy, man. That is sad. They want me to rotate the bottom right whisker. Oh, I'm like, why is it being so descriptive? But I think that's normal. That is normal. So we're going 3 degrees. And then we are going to close that out. There we go. Goodbye to Gravy. 100% complete. We finished building this cat painting. And we are going to continue pushing further. But, let me see real quick. What? I've never heard of that game. Little sounds funny though. Oh yeah, I just seen somebody play it the other day on their thing. So I'm definitely gonna try and see. Like it's like a trick shot game that definitely is a rage bait. What is the trick shot game that actually let me just say what is the trick shot game? Maybe I could find it. Hold on, I wanna have my video in my ear real quick so I can hear if the audio is playing good. Say goodbye. Yep, you gotta say bye, Gravy. You gotta say bye. You gotta leave him. The real life activities. Physics game. Bounce a ping pong ball into a cup. Throw a basketball off the wall into a hoop. I don't know if that's the game. Hopefully, let me see if I can try and find the game real quick. Because I think if I can find that game, bro, this would be so fun to play. I am praying. Some other phone. Thank you. That took a while. I'm just kidding. It's called Trick Shot Simulator. Oh, I meant to do it on my other phone. I don't even know what the hell I sound like, nor can I see my messages. I'm gonna have to go in here real quick. Let me switch this back. Hey, look at that transition though. Look at that transition. It is goated, brother. It is goated. What the hell? Oh, I'm like, what is that big long pole in the background? That didn't scare the hell out of me. I'll watch until I fall asleep. That's dope. Definitely. I appreciate the watch hours there. I do. If you're new here, make sure you guys end up hitting a like. What I'm trying to do is achieve my certification, but I'm currently trying to look this thing up because I want to play this damn game. And they haven't even put the game in the description. Like, why would they do that? I think it's just straight up called Trick Shot Simulator. Y'all got any questions? Y'all can definitely ask them right now because I'm trying to do something. No, you do have to pay. Wait, but for how? Oh, it's only $5. But I don't have Steam though. I don't have Steam though. Is that worth it? $5? But then it really is gonna rage bait me low key. It is really gonna rage bait me low key, but I do want it. How much storage will Steam take if I just downloaded it right now? How much storage will Steam take? That's something that I'm wondering. Maybe I'll end up doing it. Maybe I'll end up doing it next stream. I'll probably do it next stream because I feel like it's gonna take a minute. I mean, it probably isn't gonna take that long to download, but maybe I'll do it next stream. I think it would definitely be fun. So let's end up hopping back into this. But look how cool this is, y'all. I have a bunch of random stuff. I'm just gonna end up showing y'all. We have a starting soon. We have an ending soon. We got a be right back. Like, these transitions are goated. These transitions are goated. Like, I'm so excited. This is amazing. This, oh man, $5 for a rage bait game. No, that's what I'm saying. It's like, well, $5 that's not too much, but I'm just sitting here like, would it take long for me to like set it all up? And I think that's where I'm kind of thinking. So I'm probably gonna do it next stream so I could have like a scene where I can just click to it and immediately my game is there. So it doesn't like take too much of your guys' time because it's definitely gonna take a lot of time because I'm gonna have to end up setting it up and then y'all are not gonna be able to see nothing. And that's not worth it. That's not worth it. So let's end up hopping back into this. So I guess we're going to end up starting. Oh, damn. They really want me to become a supporter, y'all. They really want me to become a supporter. They're not playing. They do not care. Okay, so let me see. It says, welcome to live chat. Oh, okay. I was like, what the heck? I'm like, what is going on there? Make sure y'all like this up. Make sure y'all end up sending this out to other people. There's about 9 people in here. You better like this stream. You better like this stream. Okay, so we got learn response web design by building a piano. Oh, this is only 33 steps. Oh, damn, y'all. So we might end up finishing this one rather quickly. So my next stream will be me creating this technical document. That's actually really good. Let's jump right into this. But what are we going to be learning, though? Excuse me. Oh, does it work? Oh, man. I don't know why I thought it would work. I don't know why I thought it was gonna work. I'm kind of upset. Okay, whatever. This is a cute piano. Are y'all ready to create this piano? Are y'all ready to create this piano? Let's jump right into this. So we're gonna go doc type, and I'm sure they're gonna need HTML. You're gonna close that one out. Close this. Open up. We're going to do HTML language equals en. You know, you already know the setup here. You already know the setup. We're going to close that out. HTML, bammers, send that down. You're going to go with head, close that, put a closing, damn, calm down everybody. We're going to go ahead here, close that down. We jump back up, open up, we go meta. Oh wait, they don't want a meta. Okay, they don't want a meta. That's fine. We can go title. And then we close that up, go title, bam, set that all up. And they want me to do piano. Oof, the back of my head started itching. I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? So let's get it. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Let's do this. Let's do this. So we're gonna go body, close that out. And I think that should be good. That should be good. Perfection, 3%. No, I'm just playing. Just gets hella lit. All right, so we're gonna go meta char set. Oh, wait a second. One to optimize your page for mobile devices and one to specify a char set, which I already know how to do. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of forgot how to do the viewport because it's supposed to be something like meta not type, but it's supposed to be something equals viewport. And then it's supposed to be like a bunch of different stuff. I always forget. What is that? Is it type viewport? Or is it name? Is it name or type viewport? But I know that there's more to it, so I feel like I'm probably not gonna. Oh, it is name. Damn. Oh, well, they ended up just showing me for some reason. They didn't have to do all that, but sorry about that, y'all. They just showed me. I feel like I would have came to it, but it's all right, I guess. /with. Well, probably not this particular part though, because I honestly forgot about this part. But that's because I don't be thinking about making like things for mobile. I should. I should be making these for mobile. So that's good. Wait, no. How did I mess that up? How did I mess that up? Where did I go wrong? Name equals viewport, which I already did. Content set to width equals device width. And then initial scale equals 1. Where am I going wrong here? Where the hell am I going wrong here? You say name, content, thank you. Hazel, thank you, Hazel. I was a little bit confused. What the heck? Am I misspelling something? We got viewport, meta name equals viewport, content with device. I'm assuming it must possibly be because maybe I didn't put a space somewhere. So let me try and paste that. Okay, yeah, I was like, maybe I didn't put the space in, but I don't know why I felt the need to like copy and paste it, but it's okay. We ended up getting that out the way. Let's go to the second one. So time to start. Let's create a div, and then more than likely, does it have a class? Nope, they want to have an ID of P, and they want to target this one a little bit differently. Ooh, I didn't even close it. I didn't even close it. They kind of should not have allowed that to happen. And then this is going to be keys. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's close this one. Let's close this one. Okay. Next, add 7 div elements and give them all the class key. 7 div elements and give all the class key. Oh, did I spell initial wrong the first time? I must have spelled initial wrong the first time. So within your keys, okay, so I'm going to put this here. Div class equals key, oops, just key, slash div. I'm assuming they're not inside of each other, but they are inside of this one div, or 2 divs technically. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's enough. That is enough. If you are new here, every step that I solve, I get closer to my certification. So make sure you guys end up leaving a like. Y'all push this out. You guys end up subscribing. I've been learning how to code for almost 3 months. This close to receiving my certification, man, and I will be going live every single day until I receive it. So remember that a class attribute can have multiple values. So to separate your white keys from your black keys, you will add a second class value of black key. Add this to your second, third, oh no, second, third, fifth, sixth, and seventh. This is my second. I don't remember if you space it with a comma or do you just space. So I guess we're gonna find out. So my second, third, black key, second, third, fifth, we skipped that one, black. Oh, I did something wrong. Oops. Calm down. We're going black key, and then fifth, 6. I don't know why I'm doing this. I honestly could have just copied and pasted, but you know, sometimes you just decide to do it. Sometimes you just decide to do it the wrong way. These need 2. Okay, that was good. We got that. What's your plan after you finish the certification? My plan is to kind of relearn JavaScript. It's not that I don't know JavaScript, I just know the fundamentals, but I want to be able to create my own logic. So I'm going to relearn JavaScript through the Odin project for a couple of days on stream. And then eventually after that, I'm going to be going straight for the JavaScript free code camp. Because if you see here, look how close, well, I'm not actually close to getting the JavaScript one, but I did end up doing, I think, 2 of these. And then now I'm on my 3rd one, about to finish this. So I'm good at JavaScript. I know a lot of the fundamentals, but I have been struggling. So after that, I need to be able to get this one, but I'm gonna have to kind of relearn it because I'm struggling hardcore. So now copy the set of 7 keys and paste 2 more sets. Wait, hold on. Now copy the set of 7 and paste 2 more sets into the keys div. So they're telling me to copy and paste this. And then we're going to do a paste. Oh, hell no. Oh, wait, you know what? Actually, I'm realizing even though there's a lot of them, all I'm doing is just tackling the classes, so I'm not like tackling them individually. I hope not. That would be kind of scary. That would be kind of scary. All right, so we need to add our link here. So we're gonna go link, rel, and then oh wait, oh yeah, this is. I was like, what's going on here? So we're gonna go link rel, and we're gonna do style sheet, and then we're going to do href, and then we're going to do styles.css and close that out. Oops, close. Oh, close. Okay, close that out. Bammers. Okay, sounds fun, challenging. I'm looking forward to those streams. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, my streams are gonna be crazy because I'm always gonna have something bigger that I'm working towards, and then eventually, like way after all this, there's actually a lot of stuff. Like that's why this channel is just so good, because the goal is to just learn live and learn obviously on my long form videos as well, but it's mainly gonna be vlogs, and the goal is to just continue pushing forward because like end goal, I want to learn full stack. So imagine all those lives and all those type of videos that I could post of myself learning it, and then on top of that, when I get really confident in it, I could even teach it. And I think I'm really setting up this channel for success. Hopefully, all glory to God though. All glory to God, because he's the one that makes this keep going. He's the one that makes this push. So make sure y'all end up hitting that subscribe button. Y'all end up hitting that like. Let's get this channel to grow, get this channel seen by others. But I understand because it is nighttime, so I understand. It says I now have access to a collab camera. Does that mean I can just like collab with people? That's kind of dope. That is kind of dope. All right, can this pass through? Can this pass through? Oh, but by the way, y'all, look at what this can do. But what's weird is that it doesn't really like work all the time. I don't know how to make this work every time somebody subscribes or something, but look at this. I can click this button and it ends up showing like someone that subscribed popped up. That is so dope. And that's weird because, sorry, I was making that face and just staring, but it was because I was just trying to see. Oh, I'm realizing I think every time I click that button, my sub goal goes up. Oh, that's not right because I'm not getting subscribers like that. I gotta make sure that's actually connected correctly. But that's alright. That's alright. That is not connected correctly. So we are finally getting in here. So add an HTML rule selector to your CSS file, and we're going to set box sizing to border box. Border box. Close that out. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are at 27%. If you are new here, I'm coding every day until I get my certification. What certification? My responsive web design certification. But then why are you showing me this on the screen? Well, this on the screen, the more steps that I end up solving, the closer I actually get to my certification. So make sure y'all end up liking, y'all subscribe, y'all join this journey. I've been learning how to code for about 3 months. Come on, let's go. Let's keep this pushing. Join the squad here. So now that you have the reset HTML box model, you need to pass that on to the other elements within that as well. So you can set the box sizing property to inherit, which will tell the targeted elements to use the same value as the parent element. So you'll also need to target the pseudo elements, which are special keywords that follow a selector. The 2 pseudo elements you will be using is before and after, which I have used plenty before. So the before selector creates a pseudo element, which is the first child of the selected element. Well, the after selector creates a pseudo element, which is the last child of the element. So these pseudo elements are often used to create cosmetic content, which you will see later in this project. Ooh, so they're teaching me a lot of stuff here now. So for create CSS elements, target all with a star and include the pseudo elements like this. So I'm assuming, do I end up getting rid of HTML then? I'm assuming I get rid of HTML and then I go into inherit, but then it's saying include pseudo elements with this. So they want me to do like, are they telling me to do both of them? And then do after, like what do they want me to do? That's kind of weird. I think I misunderstood. Oh, I actually am supposed to do that, but oops, I was supposed to separate that with with a, you know what I'm saying, with a comma. But that's okay. Hey, sometimes we forget those tiny things, Morning. What's up, Stable Dev? What's up? Oh, so is it morning for you too? Is morning for you too, Stable Dev? So just before anything, I want to make sure that I get a little bit of a question mark next to what I just ended up reading, just in case. Because I want to make sure I come back to this. So we're gonna look up and hear it. And then I'm gonna do before, even though I know about before and after, it's best to always have a definition. Ain't that right? I'll tell you that much. Let's go to the next step. So what's up, y'all? If y'all are new here, hit that subscribe button and up hitting that like button. We are trying to get my coding certification, man. So this is the place to be. I'm gonna be trying to go after this, and the more steps that I solve, the closer I get to my certification. So leave a like and make sure y'all subscribe. We're going hashtag piano, and then we're going to do with an ID selector. With an ID, are they talking about like straight up ID? Oh, they're probably talking about the hashtag. Unless they do mean ID, I guess we'll see. We're going background color, and then we're going to do a hashtag 00471B, and then we're going width, and we're going to do 992px, close that out, and then we're going height, and we're doing 290px, close that out. Oh, bam, that worked. Now we got a big green square. It's 9 a.m. My voice. It's 9 a.m. I woke up late. Oh, damn, that is insane. It's nighttime for me over here. It's straight up nighttime. It is damn near bedtime for me. It is damn near bedtime for me, but that's pretty dope, man. That is pretty dope. Hope y'all are enjoying this live so far. Like this up. All right, so we're going to click to the next one. Now we are at step 12. Let's go margin, and we got to do about 80px, and we're going auto. 80px, and we're going auto. Okay, so that just moved it down. That's great. This is beautiful. 36% complete of this piano, by the way. 36% complete of this piano. So now we need to style the keys. So below this, we're going to do dot key to target the class selector. I like how they use these names. It gets you to understand what to call it. Let's say we're going through an interview. This is how you would define it, right? You're supposed to say elements, class selector. Me, on the other hand, I'll be like dot piano, dot keys, hashtag, blah, blah, blah. Like, they're going to be like, oh, hell no, you need to get your vocabulary up. I'll tell you that much. And I'll be like, damn, okay, my bad. Alright, so we gotta go 040404. Well, that was quite the journey there, y'all. I ran so much errands today, y'all have no idea. I was literally supposed to go live like around I wanted to go live honestly today for like a 4-ish, maybe 3-ish hours, just to see how long I could really last. But then I forgot. Oh, I messed everything up. Everything just turned black. 0404. Okay, with the class selector. Oh, keys with an S. My bad, y'all. I made everything black. Okay, there we go. So it's 8:30 p.m. over here. Oh my goodness, this is insane. I love the different time zones. That is so beautiful. It is 11:30 for me, so that's insane. Well, p.m. 11:30 p.m. So we got. Okay, this is good. Give the keys a padding left. So we got padding left. And we're going to do 2px. Turn that up. Yes, okay, we are getting there. Now, honestly, I don't think if I ever were to continue learning, like, HTML and CSS, I don't think I'll be sitting here making a piano. Like, I just don't see the point of it. But maybe we'll make a. Can I speak? Damn, my voice is breaking up. Maybe it would be good in the sense of I could learn different things, like with CSS and doing this and doing that with positioning. But I don't know. Or maybe it'd be fun too. It could maybe make it really fun. You said, where am I living? Well, unless you're talking about him. Oh, okay. It says, damn, all different times. Well, I'm in California. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Oh, you know what's funny? I think the most I'll ever say about where I'm at, I'm in the East. So that's funny. So you're all the way in the West and I'm in the East. That's insane. Damn, I thought it would have been morning. I don't know why, but for some reason I thought it would have been morning in California. So I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Okay, so we're gonna go padding. I don't know what always made me think it would be morning in California. I don't know why that was like a mindset for me. And that's crazy too that y'all are actually more hours back. Because I thought maybe it was like, you know, just hours forward. Like, not morning, like 10 a.m., but I thought maybe like 2 a.m. Like, I didn't think it was that, you know, I didn't know y'all was hours back. Time to style the keys themselves. Class selector. So we're going to go dot key now. So now we do dot key. Now we do dot key. So let me go and see real quick. Make sure y'all like this up. Make sure y'all subscribe. We're gonna go background color, and we're going to do hashtag FFFFF. I don't know how many F's, but I'm assuming that's the right amount of F's. And if it's not, I guess we'll look at it later because I don't have time for it. Okay, so we learned about relative recently. I believe with relative, that's supposed to be something like, I think with absolute, you can do the top, bottom, stuff like that. But with relative, why can't I remember what relative is? I definitely took a note for it, but my memory is in the gutter. You know why? Because it is bedtime. That's why my memory is in the gutter. I'm coding a little bit too long. A little bit too long, but I want to really just get this certification, but I do got to make sure I am understanding stuff. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of stuff off camera just in case. Says, yeah, Loach is 3 hours behind. Nah, no, I thought y'all was probably like 3 hours before. I mean, 3 hours forward, or maybe 4, or like 5-ish. But so 48%. So then we're going like, I'll say margin. I'm gonna do like 2px, and then we'll go float. I didn't even know there was a float property. Hold on, what? What the hell? Yo, float. Oh, I think float is when, I think I actually do remember a float property is when it kind of like duplicates it. Or am I tripping? They should give this a definition. They should give this a definition. So we're gonna end up writing this down. And we're gonna do like 17 and probably write float with a question mark just in case, because if they don't define float for me, except for real LMAO. No, yeah, it is confusing. It is confusing. I'm ahead of behind. That's insane. I actually don't know. I actually don't know if you're ahead or behind. Well, I think that probably comes down to what day are you in? Are you in the 8th or are you still in the 7th? So we got, now it's time to use the pseudo select that you prepared for earlier. So to create the black keys, add a new .key.black after selector. This will target the elements with the key, the class key black, and select the pseudo element after these elements in HTML. So in the new selector, okay, so let's start with this. So they want me to use this here. Copy and paste is your only friend when it comes to these things. Then this will target them in here. So in the new selector, we're doing background color, which we can type ourselves. Background color. And then we are going to do hashtag 1D1E22. And then we're going to also set content property to blank. Oh yes, I can't wait. I hope we write something in here. The content property is used to set or override the content of the element. By default, the pseudo selectors are elements created by before and after pseudo selectors are empty, and the elements will not be rendered to the page. So setting the content property to empty will ensure the element is rendered to the page while still being empty. Oh, that is smart. So if you would like to experiment, try removing the background color property and setting different values for the content properties such as a heart. Remember to undo these changes when you are done. Honestly, where the hell and how the hell did they make a heart? That's my question. I'm looking at my keyboard. Where did they do that? So let's try it. So we got this background color of like dark green. We're going to, oh wait, that's not dark green. I think it's just gray. But I don't know where it's at. So let's go actually no, oh, that's dope. But then what happens if I put the color? Oh, the color overrides it. The color overrides it. That's why they're like, don't do that. Oh wait, you know what I could write? Subscribe to Mark Marzies. Journey. A. Oh, it don't even pop up though. It don't pop up right. It don't pop up right. What if I did that? Oh, that done disappeared. Okay. It's okay. Let's do this one. Oh, subs works. Subs works. Okay, let's make this empty. Now let's stop fooling around. Let's get this damn certification. If you're new here, the more steps that I solve, we receive our certification. Okay, I'm just messing around and I'm doing too damn much. Can this pen work? Can I find a working pen? I think that's the real question. Will I ever be able to find a working pen? Oh, you know what? This is new. I don't know how the hell, but I randomly go into my pen thing and randomly there's always a new pen in there. I don't know where the hell they be coming from. And it's still writing trash. I'm not even about to cap though. So there's something in here that I wanted to write real quick. So the content property. So content property is used to set or override the content element. I feel like I took this. The content of the element. The content of the element. I feel like I definitely wrote this before though. But so let me write real quick. So when empty string, this is not in English by the way. This is just in a random word. When empty string, like that don't even make sense. Will ensure the element is rendered to the page. So will ensure the element is rendered. My bad, y'all. I'm really just trying to get these notes. Oh, I've got comments. My bad. Keep it up. What's up, coding 123? Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Marge, you can control C and control V to copy and paste. Oh yeah, I know, but sometimes I just be forgetting. I also upload coding content, but get no views from YouTube. You just gotta be consistent, and I feel like sometimes too, YouTube can also blacklist a channel. That's definitely something that could happen. YouTube can blacklist a channel sometimes, and it wouldn't push your channel out. So maybe it could be that, or it could come down to a lot of things. It could be content, it could be thumbnails, it could be bad consistency, or it could straight up just be YouTube. And you gotta figure it out, because if it's YouTube, sometimes it's best to just make a new channel. But who knows? But also do live streams, bro. Do live streams. I'm telling you, do live streams, because live streams, I was watching this dude. I think, hopefully, let me see if I can find his channel. Oh, damn, I don't think I can. But he does streaming, like, coding every day until I get a job, right? There's this dude that does coding every day until I get a job. I'm gonna see if I can find his name real quick, because I used to watch him a little bit. It's not the first dude that pops up. It's like some dude that barely gets views. Or he used to barely get views. But then he ended up going live. Damn, I wanted to shout him out here. Because I think he got like 300 subs now. Damn, how could I find him? That would have been great. Oh, wait, no, right here. So his name is, I don't know how to pronounce that last name. I'm not even about to cap. But he's going crazy now, because before he was just at like 300 subs, and now he's at 429. And it's because he started going live. So his name is like Max Pilovic. He's damn near about to pass me in subs. He's at 429, man. And like I said, just earlier today, I saw it. And now he went crazy. So that's amazing. Definitely rooting for this dude. But he started streaming, I want to say, about 3 weeks ago. And I want to say before those streams, he was literally getting like 1, 8, 7, 13 views. Like never really breaking into the algorithm. Once he started doing those streams, man, he went crazy. So consistency is key. No, definitely consistency is key. Start uploading projects. Yeah, that's definitely the best way to go as well. All the best, girl. Yep. Thank you. Unless you're saying that to him, then A. But you're said girls. I'm assuming you're talking to me. Well, I don't know if he's a girl or she's a. I don't know if coding 123 is a girl. Probably a dude. But I'm pretty sure you're talking to me. So that's what's up. If y'all are new here, end up hitting that subscribe button, end up hitting that like, man. Join me on this journey. I'm on the road to receiving my certificate. We're gonna go with 32px. But yeah, but that YouTuber, I know exactly why his streams get a hell of views, but it's because the title is amazing. He normally names his titles, and he's been going on for hundreds of days. So he'll name his titles like programming every day until I get a job, like number 158. Oh, it's insane. I see why people be going into his streams. And he's also like doing a lot of problem solving. So I feel like people be watching and subscribing, you know, because they be rooting for him, and that's why I subscribe to him as well. But that's crazy. Like I said, just this morning he was at 300. That means he got like 100 subs in just one live stream. Wild, and that would be amazing if that could happen for me, but I might have to continue streaming for way longer for that to happen. So the piano needs the free code camp logo. So we're going to end up doing add image before the keys element. So we're going to go image here, and we got to do a class of a logo. I don't know if SRC is supposed to come first though. But then here we paste this. And then you're supposed to do alt equals free code camp logo. Free code camp logo. So that is perfection. You close that up. That is good. But the problem is, damn, that is big as hell. Gets cropped off. Makes it go all the way over here. Insane. And I think the reason why it gets cropped off is because it's in mobile view as well, right? Or maybe I'm tripping. Says Mars, I'm back. Remember me? Oh, what's up, Football? What up? What is up, Football? Says, how much longer will we be streaming? I'm not too sure. I'm probably gonna just keep going until I finish this piano. Probably until I finish this piano. And then, oh yeah, I did get around 10 plus subs last live, which was amazing. Yeah, it definitely was great. And I was so excited and so happy. Every single, like, I think it's been 7 days into July, y'all. And I got 70 subscribers so far, just into 7 days of July. When it normally would take me a whole month to get 100 subs, 7 days is crazy. Imagine how much I might end up making this month if it keeps going that route. So it says, dang, I missed the completion of Gravy. Yes, you did. Do you want to see him? I can show you him real quick. I didn't think you were gonna end up coming. Let me see. I gotta show you Gravy. Look at him. Hold up, let me fix his whisker real quick. Because they like to just get rid of stuff. So we're gonna do rotate. And we're gonna go 3 degrees. Let me fix his whisker. There he, oh, I messed up. How did I do that? How did I do this? But I'm like, how did I miss? Alright, perfect. There's Gravy. There is Gravy. I thought the assignments was kicking my butt. Yeah, let me see. Hey, Gravy. So I couldn't see your live stream because I'm in vacation outside the country. Oh, but that's dope though. At least you're on vacation, man. At least you're on vacation. That is amazing. You definitely go and enjoy that vacation. You should definitely go and enjoy it. You don't gotta come and tune into these. You do not gotta tune into these. But let's go into position, absolute, and then we're going to be doing top 23px. But Gravy was so cute, man. Ew, that derpy smile. I know why he looked like that. But he's so cute though. He's so cute, but that smile is insane. I know. So I'm heading out for now. Might be back if you're still here. See you guys. I'm probably not gonna stay on for too long, so this is probably the end. So I'll see you later. Well, not the end of this live, but I don't think you're gonna make it back in time. See you later. So 2 happy cats. Yep. So let's start styling the logo by creating .logo selector and set the width to 200 px. Did I not? Oh, I already did it. That's embarrassing. So the image element needs its parent to have the position set as a point of reference. So set the position of the piano to select their relative. Oh, thought I already wrote it. Oh y'all, I just ended up seeing the Karate Kid movie. Have y'all seen it? I'm not gonna spoil it, but have y'all seen the movie? I'm just wondering. We're building a VR museum game for the campus, and I'm in charge of one of the rooms, and the 3D modeling is rough. Oh, that's so amazing. That is actually really amazing, bro. That is crazy. That's the type of stuff I want to be doing, but I don't think I'm ready yet. But I would definitely like to get like involved in communities and just do stuff like that. That's so dope. I'm assuming, yeah, you're at school, but I do want to go to school one day. So that's actually pretty dope, bro. But I know it definitely has to be tough. Definitely has to be tough. So I'm not learning anything too different here, so there's nothing I need to take a note for. Maybe I could actually take a note for this thing up here, because I honestly did not write it like this, but they let it go through. Because I just want to make sure I get this correct. So let me do this. Dot before. And then do it again, another star dot. Because I just want to make sure that next time, if I'm going to be creating an element, that I write it just like this. Anyway, let's keep this pushing to the next step. If you are new here, every step that I solve, I get closer to receiving my certification. So make sure you end up hitting a like. Make sure you all end up subscribing, man. Join me on this journey of learning how to code for about 3 months now. Hit that subscribe button. It is lit here. It is fun here. I live stream every single day. I want to say I'm going to stop live streaming on Sundays because Sundays is a bit rough for me. But every single day I'm going to live stream. More than likely, I would say from Wednesday to Saturday, 12 p.m. EST. But on my days off, it honestly can vary. But you guys will see it in the community post. So subscribe so you can tune into all of my streams. So you can end up seeing all of my YouTube videos, my YouTube posts. Follow my Instagram. I'll be starting to post on there. It's going to be great. We're going to make this a real big thing. So yeah, I'm hopefully graduating this year with my simulation and game development degree. Hey, that is so dope, bro. That is so bad. That's so badly what I want to do. I want to do game development. I might go to school for that, but maybe. I feel like that's a whole nother realm. So you say, I want to see the new Karate Kid. It looks sick. The only thing I will say about the new Karate Kid, and I'm not spoiling, this is not a spoiler, but that I rated that. I don't rate movies high. I don't rate movies high whatsoever. But I give that a 9, and the only reason why I give it a 9 and not a 10 is because I never really rated any movie a 10 out of 10, so I don't know if a movie can even be a 10 out of 10. But I give it a 9, and I don't rate movies high, bro. I do not rate movies high. They have a degree for game dev. That's just what I was thinking, and I'm like, shoot, I might have to hop on that. But in the future, I think my dream is to be a game developer, and I'm so mad I didn't just start with that. But I think when I just heard that web development was easier to learn, I was like, shoot, let me just start there and then make that into a career. But then the deeper I got into this, I was like, damn, I should have just went for what I actually liked. And I know I could still switch, but it's not that I don't like web development. I actually think web development is fun and easy and beautiful thing to do. But it's just like, I don't know. Damn, I done opened up my whole network. What was that? But yeah. I don't remember what I was getting at, but I feel like I just don't want to switch. I'm too deep, basically. I feel like I'm too deep. And that I should just finish what I'm doing. Probably get into like a freelance career, or see if I can get into a career or anything, obviously further down the line, like way down the line. And then if that don't be working out, maybe I'll stick to freelance and then on the side learn game dev. It says, yeah, my school split it into 3 degree paths: programming, design, and 3D modeling, animation. Couldn't decide which one, so I'm taking all 3. Oh, so you're smart. You're smart. No, I'm just kidding. I honestly think anybody could learn anything. I don't think I think that definitely is smart, but I don't feel like people have to be smart, like A+ student, to be able to do stuff like that. But I think the mind ends up tricking people into thinking that they can't do it because they're not an A+ student, basically. But the thing is like, whatever you put your mind to, as long as you're consistent, you move at your own pace. It's kind of hard to do that with college, or campus and stuff like that. It's definitely going to be hard to do it in that way, moving at your pace. But as long as you're learning it, even if it's slow, man, you're definitely learning. And I think that's where people always get it wrong. But colleges, they be rushing you. You say, whenever you have time, definitely look into game dev, like web dev. You could be self-taught at your own pace. No, yeah, definitely. That's why that's my goal, man. But I just feel like I got so deep into this that I don't want to turn back, because I feel like if I turn back, then what if I end up I just keep bouncing to random things? Like, no, I think I should just finish this, and then when I finish it, then go. I think that'd be great. So the media at Roll, also known as Media Query, but I'm definitely going to look into it probably like soon, because I think it's so fun. But then I don't know, because then that might make me just jump ship. But no, maybe I'll stick to this. Conditionally apply CSS. Media queries are commonly used to apply CSS based on the viewport, max width, min width. So below the example, the card class, when the viewport is 960px below, I completely read that incorrectly, but it's okay. We understand. So we're doing an at media. And then we are doing, so we want to do add a media query that will be applied when the viewport is 768px. So wide and below. Wide and below. I don't know if they want me to put viewport in here, or if they want me to put max width, but then no, they wouldn't want me to do that. So saying dot card. Hold on. So real quick. Oh wait, no. So viewport would be here. So this would be dot viewport. Wait, no, because I don't have anything named dot freaking viewport. Do I have anything? No, yeah, because viewport is a name. I'm tripping right now. Wait, so what class are we trying to target? What class are we trying to target real quick? Apply when the view. I don't know what class we're trying to target right now. I think that's what's throwing me off. So it's saying that media queries that width. So we're based on the viewport width. So add a media query that will be applied when the viewport is 76px. That'll be applied. So am I doing like viewport 768px here? Maybe that's all they want me to do. Let me just try it, because that's a little bit confusing. So we're just gonna do 768px. And then let's see if that works. I doubt that. Oh, you know what? I'm hardcore tripping. That was a trip. And you know what? I'm an idiot. I don't even know why I thought viewport. Granted, they literally showed it up here. Not even about to lie. And then it's saying wide and below. That was crazy. I could have ended up getting that without needing help. I could have definitely got that without needing help. You say whenever you have time, definitely look at. Oh, yeah, I understand. I'm on the Marzi journey train, so I'm looking forward to whatever you take your channel, lol. No, yes, that's the goal, honestly. That's really how I want my channel to be, because I don't want it. I was thinking about switching it to Marzi's coding, because I did grow this to like a coding channel. But I feel like truly I want it to revolve around me, where it's like, if let's say I even did something crazy or something that was like outside of coding, like going for my CDL or something, I feel like that would be something I would want to film, and I would hope that it would get views, because it's like, this is Marzi's journey, not Marzi's coding. Like, this isn't just about code. This is about what I do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping that that would be what that is. That's why I'm trying to make my long form content more about vlogs, so people end up falling in love with me and not really my code, if that makes sense. But live, obviously live, you guys can fall in love with my code. I don't care if people on live are here for my code, because that's all I'm doing. And I probably will always go live for code. I don't see myself going live from a truck, being like if that were to be something I did. Here comes the responsive part. No, yes, I'm kind of scared. Let me actually real quick do media. We're gonna do at media real quick, just because I want to make sure everything is good. So the at media. Now you're saying here come. Oh, I thought the piano played. I was like, what the hell? So add a hashtag. So yes, I understand this part. And then you're supposed to kind of like, wait, is that how you're supposed to do it? I just completely forgot, because they gave me the example not even 2 seconds ago. They just gave me it like not even 2 seconds ago, and I cannot remember. Damn, y'all, that's how bad my memory is. But it's because I just be thinking of stuff. Okay, I did it right. You say heck yeah. Oh, okay. I don't know. I forgot what I was talking about, so I don't know what heck yeah was for, but it's okay. Oh, this is a long piano. This piano said it's never ending. I kind of wonder what it looks like. I don't think y'all could see it. Oh, actually, you know what? It actually looks right, but because I don't have it all the way open, so like this. This is how it looks. Don't that piano look good? If you are new here, the more steps that I solve. As you can see right here, step 28. I probably should put the steps on my screen, to be honest. But the more steps that I solve, the closer I get to receiving my certification. But y'all, we are on the goal to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all end up hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you end up leaving a like. It would definitely be appreciated. It would definitely be amazing, man. Keep it pushing, and let's just continue to grow this channel. Damn, I love the way my setup looks. Y'all have no idea. This just looks amazing. Oh, damn, I just clicked the wrong button. I hope that didn't mess anything up. Did I mess anything up? Okay, no, we're good. Woof, that scared me for a second. Say good morning, ma'am. I've texted you on Instagram. Please share one of your photos so that I can use that while creating a thumbnail. I'll be very busy today. I'll make it tomorrow, ma'am. Oh yeah, so you texted me back? Okay, I'll text you back on Instagram. So we got step 29. Hopefully I can finish this piano, because once I finish this piano, I'm going to end up ending this live, man. This live has been amazing. Make sure y'all end up sticking around, man, because I will be every single day going live trying to receive this certification. It is going to be amazing when I finally have it in my name. I'm going to print it out and I'm just going to put it on in a frame and just place it on my wall. I don't care if it's just going to be there. I don't care. That's what the goal is. So now within this media, oh, add a key selector. So I'm assuming it probably works as if you're in CSS. You know, I actually seen people do this. Hold up, y'all. My brain, I was just watching a YouTube short with somebody doing @media, and I thought @media was JavaScript. I'm not even gonna lie. But then I was looking at it and I'm like, damn, this looks actually really confusing. Wait, is this JavaScript? Oh, no, okay, I don't think so. That'd be crazy if they're showing me JavaScript. That would make no sense. Are they? But okay, that's not the point. That's not the point. But either way, it's like, I just seen this the other day and I was like, damn, that's so confusing. I probably will never learn that. And then it's crazy that I'm literally learning that. Okay, first of all, why the hell is my piano on mobile looking like this? No, I'm just kidding. That actually looks crazy. But here's our piano. Here's our piano. Here's our piano. I'll definitely get back to you on Instagram when I end up finishing this live. So now add a dot logo selector to the media query. Okay, so I guess we're going crazy. Can I use this piano though? Okay, fine. I don't think the piano's ever going to be able to be used. I doubt it. So we're going to go with, and then we're going to go 150px, close that out. How did I do that wrong? Is that not what they told me to do? Oh, for some reason. Okay, we're good. I don't know how that happened. I say, okay, ma'am. Yep. It says low media queries will make you think it's a different language, lol, but it's just CSS. Yeah, I was gonna say, I was like @media query, because I swear when I seen it on my phone, there was like random stuff in it. But then now that I'm doing it, I'm like, this is just CSS. I was like, yo, that is hilarious. That is hilarious. So you might have noticed the keys collapse when the browser window is smaller than 768. So set overflow to hidden in the first key selector to take care of this issue. This property will hide any element that is pushed outside of the set with value of keys. I said kids, what the heck? But I've used the overflow button before, so this isn't a note that needs to be taken. I'm very well with this one. So now it is hidden. Now we just got a tiny A piano. Oh, you know what's actually insane? I feel like I should start doing this for my own code. Because I feel like that, like I used to tell everyone, like, oh, I hate doing a live preview. And it's because my stuff will look like this. And I'm like, ew, that's ugly. And it's because I'm freaking not doing stuff I should be. Okay, so let's keep this pushing. So logical operators can be used. How much do I have left, honestly? Because I'm starting to get a bit tired. Maybe I could save the last bit of this piano. But after this piano, though, damn, we're only in step 5. Oh, wait, no. Wait, no, am I? I'm on step 32. Why are they playing with me? Oh, we're on the last step? Really? Damn, we're on the last 2 steps. Okay, I was just about to leave. I was like, nah, I can't finish this. We're on the last steps. Okay. So logical operators can be used to construct more complex media. So the AND is this is new. Instant headache. Logical operator is used to query 2 media conditions. So for example, a media query that targets a display width between that would be this. Okay. So let's add another. So I have a weird problem where I always have to touch my hair. That's why my hand is up like that. And I just realized I was doing that on camera. And I'd be doing that when I drive too. If the browser window is wider. If it's wider than... So I think that's, if it's wider than that, but smaller than, watch me put this backwards. So I'm gonna go min width, because it's saying wider. I feel like wider must be the bigger one, smaller than blah, blah, blah. We're gonna have to, maybe if I use my brain, but because it's nighttime, using my brain isn't quite available. My brain is not quite available right now. So we're gonna have to go min here. I'm gonna have to go 769. This might be backwards. But honestly, I don't care about that. Let's just enter. Oh, okay, I did it backwards. I did it backwards. Damn it. How could I have done that backwards? And I should have known because of like how big one of them was. But that's okay. That's okay. Let's copy this. Let's paste this. This looks great. Oh, wait, I still did that wrong. Max width. Oh, why does this say max min? Max width. Okay, that's embarrassing. It says, nah, you gotta push through. No, yeah, facts. Small piano looks cute. It's supposed to be a long, oh, it's supposed to be a long piano, but they're playing with me. They gave me a small piano. Why are they playing with my long piano? We're 97% complete. We are now at the final step of this piano. And guess what, y'all? In the next live, y'all will be seeing me create this project, which is a technical documentation page, which I am scared of, but maybe there's nothing to be scared about. That tribute page was very easy the other time, so let's open this up. So for the new one, we are going to do hashtag piano. So honestly, what is this really doing? Because I thought this was going to allow me to use my damn piano. And I don't think it's allowing me to do that. So is this just like creating the size of my piano in a weird way? Honestly, I think I need that answer. And if y'all don't know, it's okay. I should be doing my research outside of this camera. I mean, outside of this camera. Why did I say it like that? But outside of doing this live. So I'm gonna go 63px, finish that, boom, there is our piano. This is 100% complete. 100% complete. So y'all, remember this, the more steps I do, the closer I get to my certification. So you guys join my lives. I'll be going live every single day, trying to achieve my certifications. On top of that, it has been exactly today, exactly at this time, 12 a.m. in the morning. I've been learning how to code for 3 months now, officially. So make sure you end up leaving a like, y'all subscribe, and y'all watch along my journey of learning how to code in my long form videos, but then also achieving my certification on my streams. Isn't this amazing? But let's see the whole entire piano now. I don't really know what the hell we did. So media queries are used for responsiveness, different screen sizes. Oh, thank you so much. So queries are for, hold on, I'm gonna definitely take a note of that. That was goated. Or for responsiveness between different screen sizes. Oh really? Tailwind did that? That sucks. But hey, it is okay. It's still pretty nice. Like the long piano would be seen on a monitor and the small one would be seen on the phone. Okay, so that is what I thought. I just thought I sounded crazy. So this is my issue sometimes. When I think that I might be wrong, I tend not to want to just say it. So I said it, but then I was like, let me just take that back because maybe I'm wrong. But no, I knew it. So this is basically like mobile here. Like that's what's going to pop up basically, yeah. But what would this screen be? No, I'm just kidding. So it seems like a lot, but they're very important. No, yes, actually, I'm very happy that I just learned this. But y'all, this stream is coming to an end. So I think a relative size in units and layout strategies like display grid and display flex are also other important strategies contributing to responsive design. I love display flex and display grid. So look how cool this is. I'm not going to throw this on right now because like when are you supposed to throw this on? You know what I'm saying? But that's so beautiful, man. So we're going to end up going to the intermission. I love this little spot. I wish it was possible for the chat to stay on my screen. But for some reason, it's like only when someone comments it ends up popping up. And I hate that. But if y'all have any questions, oh, I love this setup, man. Whenever I come here, I just look at myself and I'm just like, damn, this setup is amazing. I definitely want to see if I should make new ones, but I feel like this setup is definitely the goated one. But y'all got any questions? I will be answering them as of right now. We're going to be hopping off this live pretty soon. Hope y'all ended up enjoying this live, man. Y'all are amazing. Y'all are goated. Y'all are the best supporters, the best people to ever have on my channel. Like, I've seen other people's channels, man, and they've just had people who are terrible, rude, and I'm just so happy to have y'all here. Probably have to mess around with chat display. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, because I hate that it just pops up like one comment, right? I think that would be pretty dope. And then also too, it's kind of like popping out of my thing. So I definitely need to go play around with it. But then I feel like that's too small. Can y'all read that? Oh, I guess you kind of can. So make it delay longer. So yeah, so then that would have to be a whole thing I would have to figure out then. Because that's probably exactly what I need to do. Maybe turn on persistent chat. Oh, okay. Y'all are goaded real quick. Hold up. I'm definitely gonna screenshot these things because it seems like y'all know what you're talking about. Because either right now, I'm using Streamlabs, and it was scary at first because when I first started using Streamlabs today, I ended up like having this weird static noise, and that static noise was like crazy. But thank God, like live on stream, glory to God, I was able to get that static noise away because I did not want to end that stream. And that stream ended up getting me 10 subscribers today. Hey, so that was amazing. That was great. Remember, if you're new here, make sure you end up hitting that like. Y'all subscribe, man. It would be so goated if y'all could do that. I'm on my coding journey trying to get my certification. Y'all ended up oh, see, like it says, yeah, delay it, and then oh, that's weird that it popped up there, but it's not popping up on my phone. But it says, yeah, delay it and wrap the text to make the text center. Sorry, I got close, but it popped up on my screen, but it did not pop up on my phone whatsoever. That was weird. But okay. Oh, now it popped up. What the heck? What the heck? That's weird. So it's how to make a div center. Is that what you're asking me? Now listen, I think there's plenty of ways to make a div center, but I would have to trial and error. So I can't tell you, but I'll have to trial and error my A off, but I will get it in the center. I've never failed once, but I never do. And it's so weird because I never do the same thing every time. I never do the same thing every time, but I always have to like figure it out and then I get it. And I need to just do the same thing. Cause like sometimes I'll use margin, justify content, like I'll be doing those things like freaking oh, there was a thing that I just learned recently that was so easy to like center it. And bro, I forgot. Like I always have to do a trial and error. So hey, congrats, glad I can make the streams. I know this was amazing, man. You actually made this. It's 12 a.m. I gotta wake sleep. My eyes are hurting a little. See you guys. See ya. Oh yeah, actually I'm getting off live. I don't know why the hell. I kept yapping. But I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I'll see y'all later. Deuces. Thank y'all so much. Can't even English right now. That's so damn funny. No, that be happening to me too. But I'll see y'all later. Love y'all. This was amazing. I hate ending streams.